You can use the word ChatGPT as the word definition, something like the dictionary. You can ask the question, what's the meaning of then blah blah. If you ask what's the meaning of, they will give a definition in English. If you ask something the meaning in Chinese, they will give definition in Chinese. For example, it's 管家, something like a manager, steward, butler. 家 means family, family manager. Yeah, let me check. 管家. Then this one, everything in Chinese. The Chinese, oh, this time is quite fast. Now it's not 双语词汇了，管家 is a Chinese words. Okay, so many times, yeah, blah blah, mostly is in Chinese. It's the translation of this paragraph. It's quite accurate. So ask. Because now this one is sentence mixed with English and Chinese, but they understand. Being a 管家, haha. Okay, let me change everything in Chinese. Can you be a student? Student. Or for me, not everything will be in English. It's basically the same answer.